If you are thinking about taking the Databricks Associate Developer for Apache Spark with Python, course on Coursera, but you are not sure whether it actually helps you work with Spark in real data, engineering jobs, or just teaches syntax examples without workplace relevance, this video will help you decide in the next few minutes. These skills are commonly used in analytics teams, cloud data platforms, and large-scale data processing environments across modern organizations. In this video, I will explain what skills you learn, who this certificate is for, how it supports careers, and whether it is worth your time. The course is called Databricks Associate Developer for Apache Spark with Python, and it is available on the Coursera platform. The course content prepares learners for working with Apache Spark using Python inside Databricks environments. After completing this course, you will be able to write PySpark code to process large datasets, transform structured data for analytics teams, and work with distributed processing tools used in real data platforms. You will also be able to read and manipulate Spark data frames, apply filtering and aggregation operations, and support workflows where teams prepare datasets before they are used for reporting or modeling. One important question many learners ask is whether this certificate is enough to start a career pathway or whether it works better as a supporting specialization. Career pathways supported by this course include data engineer support roles, analytics, engineer support roles, big data processing support roles, cloud data workflow support roles. These skills appear in real workplaces where Spark is used to prepare large datasets before they reach dashboards, analytic systems, and downstream pipelines. After completing this certificate, you will be able to write PySpark code to process large COMs, datasets, transform structured data using Spark data frames, apply filtering, joins, and aggregations in distributed workflows, support Databricks-based analytics environment. In a moment, I will explain who benefits the most from this certificate and whether beginners should start with it first. This program focuses specifically on Apache Spark development using Python inside Databricks environments rather than deeper distributed systems engineering learning pathways. Now let us look at who should take this course. This course is especially suitable for learners who already understand Python basics and want to move toward working with Spark in analytics or data engineering environments. However, learners who are completely new to Python or data processing concepts may benefit from building foundational programming skills first. From a career impact perspective, Spark Knowledge supports environments where organizations process large datasets across cloud platforms before they are used for analytics and reporting. Salary outcomes depend on experience level and broader technical stack knowledge, but Spark familiarity is widely expected inside many modern data engineering teams. Most learners complete this course by studying around 4 to 6 hours per week, depending on their pace. Structured learning like this is usually more effective than relying on scattered tutorials because workplace skills depend on understanding how tools connect together, rather than learning them separately. This certificate is especially useful for learners preparing to move toward data engineering roles that involve Spark-based processing environments. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning. See you in another video.